Hello, and welcome to Chemistry. I'm Mark Emery. I'm very grateful for this opportunity to speak with you briefly about our plan for chemistry this year at Inglemoor. And I'm also very grateful for the opportunity to be able to work with your student or your child this year. Generally, you can find the syllabus and classroom information available in Schoology. For example, you can find this specifically the syllabus itself, how to do retakes in chemistry, and some general handouts that are important for students to use throughout the year in a folder called Chemistry Class Information. You'll also see another folder called Lab Safety. That's a unit we completed the week before last, and students were able to learn about the safety equipment we have in our room, and also how to take care of emergencies should they arise, and most importantly, how to prevent any emergencies from occurring during lab time. You'll also find units of study as we begin to do them. They are placed in Schoology, and you'll find assignments, due dates, quizzes and tests and their dates, and other general information that's pertinent to that particular unit. We've already completed the first unit on an introduction to chemistry, and are currently working in a second unit on atomic structure. I'm very excited for this opportunity to be able to be back in school live with students again, and also be able to do labs again. That's something I really missed in the last 18 months. The text we're using is an open educational resource called CK12. It provides readings, videos, interactives, and also practice sessions for students to be able to use for each lesson and each unit of study. Any device with a browser can access this information. As a result, students don't have to carry home a large, heavy paper book to be able to work with. A couple of notes, probably most of my colleagues have mentioned this too. Grades are going to be available in parent view or student view, but you should not use any of the grades that arise in Schoology as being definitive grades. All of us are making our grades available in what we call parent view or student view. And so those will be the correct and updated grades for our students this year. If you want to contact me, email is the best way, and I get back to you right away the same day if I can. I'm very, very excited for the opportunity to have students live and in person. The last couple of weeks have really been very enjoyable for me, and I hope for them, especially as we begin to dig into the content. As we work in chemistry this year, we're going to divide our time between learning a bit about the theory of chemistry and actually working hands-on with labware and with manipulations that lead to experimentation. I'm excited about this opportunity, as I said, because we weren't able to at the last 18 months. Our goal is to provide a hands-on laboratory type experience each week for our students. Initially, that's going to be becoming familiar with the uses of various labware, and ultimately, our goal is to be able to have them participate in full experimentation where they gather data and then draw conclusions from the data that they've been able to generate. It's an exciting time, and I look forward to being able to work with your child during this school year. Thanks so much for viewing this presentation. If you've got questions or suggestions, please reach out to me via email. Thanks so much. Take care. Bye-bye.